Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get a tax number in France. Obtaining a French tax identification number, known as a numéro fiscal, is a crucial step for anyone living or working in France. It's essential for various administrative tasks, including filing taxes, accessing public services, and even opening a bank account. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you understand each stage clearly and confidently. For many, especially those new to France, your tax number is often generated after your very first tax declaration. However, if you're a non-resident or need it sooner, you can initiate the process online. Visit the official French tax website, Impots, Gouv.fr, and navigate to the section for non-residents or new arrivals. You'll be prompted to create an account and submit your personal information. When applying, you'll need a few key documents. Your passport or national identity card is essential for proving your identity. Additionally, you'll need proof of your French address, like a recent utility bill or a rental contract. Once you have these ready, you can submit your application either directly through the online portal or by mailing the necessary forms to your local tax service center. Ensure all copies are clear. After successfully submitting your application, the French tax authorities will process your request. Your unique numéro fiscal will then be mailed to your registered address. This process typically takes a few weeks, so it's wise to apply well in advance of when you might need it. Once received, keep this number secure, as it will be your primary identifier for all tax-related and many administrative interactions in France.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.